We're working across a super grid, working down a transect of 6 cameras, using remote sensing cameras, using 3 different types of bait. We're using a control, a peanut butter bait, and a tuna oil bait. And so we sit that about 2 meters from the camera, and that's in a clear area so that anything that is attracted to the bait can be seen by the camera. It senses movement, takes 3 photos, and then we can identify the species by that. So we look at the 3 different bait types, being the control, peanut butter, and the tuna oil, to see whether there's any difference in what the different baits attract species-wise. So when we're setting up a camera, we've got to think about a few things. We've got to think about where the sun is coming from with the angle, because you don't want the glare on the camera. And you've also got to think about the vegetation around the camera, to whether it's going to set off the camera, and so you have pictures of nothing. We've got tape over the flash, so that when the flash goes off, because it's a really strong flash, it could just create a image of just light, making it impossible to identify anything. It's set off by any movement in the area, so any branches or grass or anything that's moving can set it off as well, so that's got to be considered. The shield over the top just protects it from rain or wind or anything really affecting it. So while we've got the camera, we can also, around these baits, clear an area about 1 meter by 1 meter around it, which just means that if any animals do walk across it, we can see those prints on the sand. So even if the camera isn't put off by an animal moving, we can still see some kind of sign of life there.